Hey EPSCoR researchers, in this video I will be working on uploading some files and we will write some metadata, some preliminary metadata. So you'll see that I have a folder here called webcast videos. I have uploaded one video. I'm going to upload another, and all I do is drag it from my computer, drop it into this black square here, and I'll see an upload progress bar to let me know that it's working on it, but it is a video file. And you'll see that that is uploaded there. You can see who uploaded it, how large it was, and when it was uploaded. So from here you can write metadata by clicking in a number of areas. You could click this 4 square box here next to the file itself, and that would allow you to write a metadata record that is just for that file. You could click this blue button here that says metadata, and this would allow you to write metadata for the entire folder. So for these two, well, currently these two files. You can also right click and click metadata on the folder itself, and that will also allow you to write metadata. So I want to write some folder level metadata for these webcast videos. And what I want to do first is copy in the EPSCoR metadata template. So I click copy at the top of the menu, and that allows me to copy an entire record, and I write EPSCoR metadata template. And I click search, and I see it's the second one that says EPSCoR metadata template, and I click this copy button. Now if I was to click overwrite, it would take anything I had previously written and write over it with this new template. And I think there's very few instances where you would want to do that. If you have any metadata already, you usually want to preserve it, but you want to add in the template. And so if there is a field you haven't written in that has template documentation in it, it will allow you to paste where you haven't written anything before. Right now I have a clean slate, so I can be, click with no concern that I'm copying in the entire template. And so I have created this template going off of conversations with the EPSCoR Fire and Ice leadership team, all of the individual researchers who are doing data collection efforts, and my own knowledge of best practices for writing metadata and making effective preservation of data. So what I would do is start converting the templated language into my actual metadata. So 2020 webcast videos for using the research workspace. And I don't need to write the location for this because it's kind of happening on the internet. I will keep the Fire and Ice program, and I will write June 2020, minus this little thing here. So I could save this by clicking save. Also, if I click to the next step, it will also save. So that is a little overview of how to upload a file and write metadata for either the file or the folder. We also looked at the copy button, and we also looked at copying in a metadata template. We talked about the difference between copying and overwriting your metadata. I'll make other videos that are specifically about metadata and specifically about copying and templates, but I wanted you to have a kind of sneak preview into those capabilities of the research workspace.